Okay, hello again. In the second part of today's lesson, we're going to be looking at verbs and how we add ing to them. So on the screen, we have a collection of verbs and nouns. I want you to pause the video and try and guess which ones are verbs and which ones are nouns. So if you pause the video, we should have run is a verb, play is a verb, table is not a verb, write is a verb, pen is not, hat is not, watch is a verb, swim is a verb, computer and TV are not verbs, shout is a verb, sing is a verb, workbook, desk and chair are not verbs, and sleep is a verb. So we're going to look at how do we add ing to a verb. And there's a couple of simple rules we need to know, and once you know these rules, it should be really easy to turn a verb into an ing verb. So when we use words like love, like, and hate, you saw that the verbs had ing on the end. For example, I love cleaning. I love watching TV in the evening. Different verbs have different rules. Change them into ing verbs. Now, verbs ending with E. If a verb ends with the letter E, you drop the E and add ing. So for example, write ends with an E, and that will change into writ and ing. We can join them together to make the verb writing. Another example, we have move is a verb that ends with E. That can become mov. You drop the E and add ing, and that gives us the verb moving. We also have some special verbs, and these verbs you need to double the consonant before adding ing. Remember, a consonant is any letter that is not a vowel. Let's look at the example swim. Swim is one of these special verbs. You need to change swim to double swim and add ing to give swimming. And same with sit. You need to double the consonant, so double T plus ing to give sitting. So here's a list of some of the special verbs that we have. We have swim, sit, stop, plan, run, flip, step, and wrap. All of these verbs, when you change them to ing verbs, you need to double the consonant. So in your notebook, write down these verbs, and we will use them later in some of the questions. Everything else is really easy. You just add ing to the end. So for example, play, and it's not a special verb, and it does not end in E. So all you do is add ing. So it becomes playing. One more example, feed. It does not end with E. It's not one of the special verbs we looked at. So feed becomes feeding. So go to the Google form. There's 10 questions there. Answer the questions the best you can. After that, for homework, if you would like, complete the questions on pages 44 and 45 of the student book. If you have any questions, feel free to message your English teacher, and we will, of course, help you with anything you need.